Hey, got a minute? After an auto accident, finding a reputable repair shop can be challenging. Scheduling an appointment can be just as tough. Now, there's a better way. Customers can sign into their MyTravelers account on the web or app and make an informed decision on whether to file an auto claim. Then, they're offered easy access to thousands of reliable repair shops all across the country through our MyTravelers Repair Network. With just a few taps, customers can find and select a shop, schedule an appointment, and reserve a rental car if it's included in the coverage. Here's the best part. Travelers stands behind each shop's repair guarantee, giving customers peace of mind for as long as they own the vehicle. With MyTravelers in the palm of their hand, customers have an easy way to get the repair process going and their vehicle back on the road.